First up, we have the Bell 8000 series. Bell's Machining, a Canadian company, introduced this circular saw firewood processor. The machine can process logs with a max diameter of 27 inches and a length of up to 30 feet. The 60-inch large circular blade cuts the log into pieces, which are then passed through fixed blades hydraulically. The conveyor belt takes these wood pieces to a splitter cylinder. The splitter filters out unnecessary wood fragments. These machines feature a 127 horsepower Cat diesel engine and can produce 4 full cords of hardwood per hour. Posch Leibnitz is an Austrian firm that specializes in firewood processing gear. One of its products is the poly-splitting machine. To split logs, the hydraulic mechanism of this log splitter exerts a force of 8 tons. It is capable of splitting hardwood that is normally difficult to split using traditional tools. The machine incorporates an auto-speed mechanism that automatically adapts the log feed speed to the needed splitting force, saving time and energy. It can be run by a gasoline engine, a 230-volt or 400-volt electric motor, or the PTO shaft of a tractor. It has a split stroke that can be adjusted to prevent wasteful empty strokes. Also, the user has the option of using a variety of splitting wedges, each of which can be swapped out in seconds and without the need for any additional equipment. Next, we have the Pezzolato Genius Wedge. It's a wedge that can be used to split logs into smaller uniform pieces with little effort. It is designed by Pezzolato, a manufacturer of equipment for processing firewood. The Genius Wedge is available either as a complete unit with Pezzolato machinery or as a standalone splitting station. With its cross-shaped fixed sector and square-shaped movable sector, it evenly distributes logs of varying diameters. This results in less wasted time and energy, as well as fewer power splits. Up next, we have the Pezzolato TLA 15E TB900. It consists of 2 machines, a firewood disc processor with a separate wood splitter and an automated vertical splitting system. The TLA 15 firewood disc processor can convert random lengths and diameters of wood into uniformly sized logs. The logs are then moved to the wood splitter, the TB900, which can divide them with a splitting force of 40 tons into smaller pieces. Electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. An electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor can power the device. As a result of its high output capacity, it can process up to 20 cubic meters of firewood each hour. Next, we have the Pinosa CPE 1200 V01. It's a firewood processing plant that can handle wood of various thicknesses and lengths. Only one person needs to operate it. It takes power from a diesel engine and can process wood with a max diameter of 480 millimeters and a max length of 10 meters. Logs are fed automatically onto the cutting disc and subsequently into the splitting unit, thanks to the machine's self-loading technology. The 45-ton splitting equipment can make firewood blocks of different sizes. The machine is portable, small, and can be driven on public highways. The Palax C750 is up next. This wood chipper is the creation of a Finnish company called Palax. The tool is versatile enough to cut and split lumber of varying sizes. The machine is driven either by an electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor. The blade's length of 750 millimeters allows it to slice through logs as wide as 28 centimeters. In addition, its quick motion valve can be set to operate automatically, further increasing its efficiency. Depending on the size of the splitting blade, 2/4 or 2/6, the machine can create firewood chunks of varying sizes. Moreover, the machine is equipped with an in-feed conveyor and an out-feed conveyor to keep the wood moving. Mahoe Sawmills is a New Zealand-based manufacturer of sawmills and firewood processors. Choppa is a top-tier firewood processor made by this company. It can efficiently chop and split enormous wood into manageable, homogeneous pieces. The wood rings are fed through the splitter knife, which use 4-side cutters to chop them into pieces. Upon cutting, the wood is sent to the outfeed elevator. Logs with a diameter of 1.2 meters or more can be processed with this machine. It has a 76-ton splitting force and a Dutch diesel industrial 48 horsepower engine. With the machine's wireless remote, the user can control it from a safe distance. It also has a safety system and a trailer equipped with hydraulic brakes. Up next, we have the Woodcracker W1000. Westech made this attachment tool for splitting thick logs. It is made of high-strength hard-ox steel and has an endless rotating rotator. For flexible use, 2 drive engines are optionally available. It incorporates auto-speed technology, which enables a greater splitting capacity. The roller system decreases the force exerted by reducing the frictional resistance. The splittable diameter is determined by the largest end piece, not the opening width. It supplies chippers with a convenient supply of pre-split material. It can be used in all harvesting and processing methods of hardwood. Next, we have the Woodcracker CS750. This attachment tool was designed to safely remove trees in several parts. The saw unit includes a swinging chassis with active suspension that can be angled to minimize the bending of the saw bar under high force effects. The tiltator is capable of 360-degree rotation. The automated chain tensioner maintains the chain tension no matter how long the machine is in operation. It is ideal for road maintenance or removing problematic trees in urban residential areas. It can be mounted to telescopic handles. Furthermore, it has a variety of mounting options for different carrier vehicles. Up next we have the Cut MCS 40. This modular machine was designed for use by firewood producers. Its multi-blade saw slices logs in a single pass, maintaining a steady output rate regardless of the log's length. From drive type to feed deck, this machine is compatible with a range of additional components. It has a capacity of 10 cords per hour. Different cutting lengths can be set in under 30 seconds. The entry rollers automatically halt the loaded log, allowing for a maximum feeding rate. It is possible to automatically cut out to 40-inch logs with this machine. The pusher cleats then transports the logs to the circular saw, where they are shaped. Last but not least, we have the Pezzolato TM1200 and TB900. It is a combination of two machines, a chain-driven firewood disc processor and an automated vertical splitting system. The TM1200 firewood disc processor can split logs up to 6 meters in length and 1200 millimeters in diameter. The logs are moved to the TB900 splitting unit, which uses 40 tons of force to break the logs down. The electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. A 22 kilowatt electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor are both suitable for powering the device. It can easily handle logs with a wide diameter and has a high output capacity. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.